serious. All this time I was setting up this table so that I can do this unboxing. And the sun decided to come out just as I sat down.
So, after 2 months of doing this YouTube channel, I have decided I'm just not satisfied with the clarity of the video that I've been putting out. Especially with my B-roll. Those flowers should have popped. I've been doing most everything with my iPad Air, and I thought it was supposed to be clearer than that. But what I did is I went and got the GoPro Hero 9 Black, hoping that it would solve most of these problems. So here we go. And I also realize I'm going to have to get a quality computer in order to do this as well. So it comes in a really nice carrying case. It's cloth on the outside, but it seems to be a harder surface on the inside, so it has a little bit of shock resistance if you were to drop it. It has a little tray in here. It's got its USB cord. Doesn't look like they gave you one very long, but I don't think that's the way I'm going to be charging it anyway, at least not on a regular basis. So, it comes with a battery, a mounting bracket, the bracket that goes into the mounting bracket, and the mounting screw. And then you've got your GoPro. It's got the little clear protective covers on there, and you can take those off. And then there's one around the whole thing to protect the finish, as well as on the back screen. It's a handsome little unit. Along with that, I also got a second battery and a charger, because I know I'm going to be out in the grapes or something and I'm going to run out of battery, and I'm going to want those to be available for me. Boy, do I have a lot to learn with this, because I'm not computer or techie savvy. So this also comes with a charging cord, which doesn't look any longer than the other one. I thought the one that would come with a charger would be longer, but it's basically the same one. So and here's your second battery. I'm going to take these two batteries and get them started.
I'm out of there.
You plug it in there like this. You're going to have to use the USB plug from my iPad, because it does not come with the USB plug. You plug that in. It also did not include an SD card, so I went and got myself a 256 gigabyte one. That should last quite a while. So, in the months to come, let me learn how to use this stuff. I know myself, and it's going to take a while. And we'll see how we do. Let's see if we can improve these videos and make them sharper.
If it weren't for editing, you wouldn't know that I had to repack all this stuff because I really screwed it up.
If you're new to this channel, I have selected a video right here in the video icon for you to check out. If you enjoy that, I would appreciate it if you liked, shared, and subscribed. Leaving a comment is always very helpful, especially if it's constructive criticism. I can always appreciate that.
And don't forget to smash the little bell button. Oh yeah? You're looking at me? What?